This video tutorial I will explain what is VPN. In order to work from home, you have to install a VPN client in your laptop, which is in home network. And VPN client establishes a VPN tunnel in the public network, and then it connects to the VPN server. Then the VPN server connects to the company server, which is in office network. From your computer, whatever information is sent to the company server via VPN tunnel is encrypted. So the hacker cannot see what information is sent from your laptop to company server. VPN secure IP address, and VPN secure your personal data, and VPN hides location, and if you are using VPN, the outside world does not know what activity you are doing. No point in time the people sitting in a public network will ever know from where the request is coming from and from where the request is going, because it is all managed by VPN server. And there is a possibility you are accessing the company server from India, and VPN server is in UK, and your company server is in United States. VPN provides two main benefits. The first one is anonymity. The second one is privacy. Anonymity means hiding your identity, which means it hides the IP address, and also it hides from which location you are accessing the websites. Privacy means hiding your activity, which means what websites you are visiting and what kind of work you are doing in your personal computer. We can use VPN for our personal use. Suppose you are in airport and you are using a public Wi-Fi network for banking transaction. So in that case, you have to pass username and password to log into the banking application. And if you are not using VPN, then the hacker can easily get the username and password and misuse your account. And instead, if you are using VPN, the username and password will be encrypted, because we are using VPN. So the hacker cannot read what is the username and password. When you choose VPN for your personal use, you always choose a paid version. You should not use a free version, because the free VPN server will logs all the activities. So you have to use a paid version which has no log policy, so that whatever activity you are doing, that won't be logged in the VPN server, and it won't be shared to anybody. Here you can see the examples of VPN, which is a paid version, and it has no log policy, which are ExpressVPN and NordVPN. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button, and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.